Are you looking for the best retractable garden hose reel? In this video, we will show 6 retractable garden hose reel. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we've included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel. 1/2 inch by 130 feet. Super heavy duty, any length lock, slow return system, wall mounted, and 180-degree swivel bracket. Brand, Giraffe Tools. Material, polypropylene. Color, dark gray. Style, heavy duty, unique. Lock at any length. A 130-foot hybrid hose that can be locked to any length is pre-installed on the Giraffe hose reel, ensuring that every area of your garden is covered. Auto rewind system. The water hose reel will automatically retract back in if you give it a slight tug. The hose may be neatly rolled up without kinking thanks to the retractable and guide systems. High-grade garden hose. The hose reel is made to be long-lasting and leak-proof with all-weather flexible and abrasion-resistant hybrid hose. Both the 200 psi pressure test and 600 psi bursting pressure test were successfully completed by the 130-foot, 1/2 inch retractable hose. Easy to assemble and disassemble. Only the 180-degree rotation rocket and a few screws are needed to assemble the retractable hose reel on the wall. The reel may be quickly removed for storage using the quick release system by simply lifting the handle. I would recommend making the installation post larger than 4x4.
Number 2. Giraffe Tools Hose Reel, 1/2 inch, 78 feet. Heavy-duty retractable garden hose reel with any length lock. Slow return system, wall-mounted, and 180-degree swivel bracket. Brand, Giraffe Tools. Material, eco-friendly polypropylene. Color, dark gray. Style, heavy-duty, unique. Durable and any length lock. Giraffe hose reel is pre-installed with a 78-foot hybrid hose, which can lock at any length as you desired, covers every corner of your garden. Stable auto rewind system. Give the hose a gentle tug, the hose reel will retract automatically back in. The unique retractable and guidance system can roll up the hose neatly without the trouble of kinking and tangling. High-grid garden hose. All-weather flexible and abrasion-resistant hybrid hose ensures the hose reel leak-resistant and long-lasting. The 78-foot 1/2 inch hose passed the 200 psi pressure test and the 600 psi bursting pressure test. Number 3. Retractable garden hose reel. 1/2 inch by 100-foot wall-mounted heavy-duty garden hose reel with 10 patterns nozzle. Any length lock, upgraded slow return system, and 180-degree swivel bracket. Brand, Giraffe. Material, polypropylene. Color, black. Style, heavy duty. Neat garden with a large coverage area. This retractable hose reel automatically stores your hose neatly after use, reducing messy tangles and saving storage space. It easily reaches corners of large gardens, patios, or yards with its 180-degree swivel base, ensuring large-scale coverage for watering flowers, washing cars, or cleaning pets. The smooth hose extension locks securely at a suitable length, making tasks efficient while keeping your outdoor area organized. UV-resistant, anti-freeze, and durable. The retractable garden hose reel features a frost-resistant PP shell designed to withstand high and low temperatures. It endures extreme temperatures from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, -7 degrees C to 46 degrees C, reducing freeze damage and UV degradation. The abrasion-proof outer layer and reinforced fiber braid prevent wear, ensuring durability in harsh weather. Secure slow rollback mechanism.
Number 4. Wikiwiki Retractable Garden Hose Reel. 5/8 in × 100 feet. Heavy-duty wall-mounted hose reel with 10-function sprayer nozzle. Automatic slow return system / 180-degree swivel bracket / UV resistant. Brand, wikiwiki. Material, plastic. Color, black. Style, heavy-duty. Intelligent auto rewind. Our innovative auto rewind feature ensures a slow, controlled retraction of the garden hose reel. After use, give the hose a gentle tug, and the retractable garden hose will automatically retract. This clever design eliminates tangles and kinks, allowing you to store their hose neatly and effortlessly, maintaining the serene aesthetic of your garden. Lock at any length. Experience the convenience of our thoughtfully designed ratchet locking system.
The garden hose reel extends smoothly and locks securely at any desired length, offering a simple yet refined solution to your gardening needs. The hose reels for outside is the ideal blend of practicality and ease, allowing you to focus on enjoying your outdoor space. High-grid garden hose. Crafted from a high-performance, weather-resistant hybrid material, the hose of the garden hose reel is leak-proof, offering durability without compromising on elegance. This 5/8 in × 100 feet hose withstands up to 150 psi of burst pressure, which is a testament to its strength. Designed for seamless, everyday use, this retractable hose complements your home's refined outdoor environment.
Number 5. Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel. 1/2 inch by 155 with 5-foot leader hose. Heavy duty, any length lock, slow return system, wall mounted and 180-degree swivel bracket. Brand, Giraffe Tools. Material, eco-friendly polypropylene. Color, dark gray. Lock at any length. A 155-foot hybrid hose that can be locked to any length is pre-installed on the Giraffe hose reel, ensuring that every area of your garden is covered. Auto rewind system. The water hose reel will automatically retract back in if you give it a slight tug. The hose may be neatly rolled up without kinking thanks to the retractable and guide systems. High-grid garden hose. The hose reel is made to be long-lasting and leak-proof with all-weather flexible and abrasion-resistant hybrid hose. Both the 200 psi pressure test and the 600 psi bursting pressure test were successfully completed by the 155-foot, 1/2 inch retractable hose. 9 adjustable spray patterns. Garden hose nozzle supports 9 patterns to fulfill your different watering purposes. Can be used for car washing, watering, cleaning, pet bathing, etc.
Number 6. Retractable garden hose reel. 100 feet, 1/2 inch heavy-duty garden hose, 435 psi burst pressure. Wall-mounted water hose reel with 10 pattern nozzle, 180-degree swivel, slow auto rewind, and any length lock. Brand, Guard. Material, metal. Color, gray and orange. Style, heavy duty. 100 feet garden hose and any length lock. Experience maximum flexibility with our heavy-duty 100-foot garden hose. The advanced any length lock mechanism allows you to secure the garden hoses at any desired point, ensuring effortless coverage of every corner of your yard without constant tension or pulling. Automatic retractable garden hose. Keep your lawn tidy with this retractable garden hose system. With a simple, gentle tug, the internal mechanism takes over, slowly and safely retracting the hose on its own. The integrated guide ensures neat coiling inside the hose reel, preventing tangles and messy piles. 180-degree swivel and garden hose reel assembly. This garden hose reel is designed for ultimate mobility. Using the 180-degree rotating bracket and included heavy-duty screws, you can easily mount it to any wall. The swivel design allows the hose to follow your movement, making it the most user-friendly choice among garden hoses for large landscapes.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.